For centuries, trade routes have shaped civilization and economies. Today, a single initiative is transforming global connectivity to an unprecedented scale. This transformation is known as the Belt and Road Initiative, a modern revival of the ancient Silk Road redesigned for the 21st century. First pillar of this initiative is the Silk Road Economic Belt, a vast land-based network of highways, railways, and pipelines stretching across Asia and beyond. Freight trains now cross borders, deserts, and mountains, linking countries through faster and more efficient trade routes. Journey that once took weeks now takes only days. The second pillar is the 21st century Maritime Silk Road, a global network of ports connecting Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and Europe through sea route. Beyond transport, energy infrastructure play a critical role. Power plant, pipeline, and renewable energy projects are built to support growing industries and cities. Along these corridors, industrial zone and logistic hub emerge. Factories, warehouse, and transport center create jobs and strengthen regional supply chain. Urban development follow infrastructure, new cities, modern road, public transport systems, and smart technologies reshape the lives of millions. From land to sea, from energy to cities, the Belt and Road Initiative represent the larger infrastructure vision in human history, a network connecting nations, economies, and people reshaping the future of global development.